Hi, welcome to Clean Beauty with Alli Marie. I am so excited to share with you today my clean hair care routine. I have been trying lots and lots of products lately, and I have found winners. The shampoo and conditioner bars, yes, bars from Rowe Casa Organics, as well as the Hair Spritz. These products have transformed my hair. They're easy to use. They don't have the gunk, and I cannot wait to share more with you during this video. I hope you find it super helpful. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am Alli. I am on a mission to help you find clean products that really work. If you wouldn't mind subscribing before you go, it would mean a lot. Thank you. Okay, I am so excited to share these products with you. I really feel like I found some winners. Okay, so my hair is pretty finicky. I have not really been able to find a product that after I wash it actually leaves my hair feeling super, super clean. I feel like the shampoos that I have been trying have still kind of left a weird residue, even though they are clean, and free of sulfates and parabens and things. They still just left my hair feeling kind of nasty and had like a film on them. So I then started looking into shampoo bars. I heard that those really left your hair feeling squeaky clean. And so I tried a brand. They had no artificial fragrance, but the conditioner bar was really hard for me to actually get off the bar onto my hair. Couldn't figure it out. I decided to try another brand. I wasn't ready to give up on shampoo and conditioner bars just yet. And I did like the second brand, but I felt like I still had to wash my hair pretty quickly in between washes. So like every other day or so, my hair would start to get kind of greasy and oily again. It's like, should I go back to regular shampoo and conditioner? Should I give one more brand a try? And so I was given the recommendation to give the shampoo and conditioner bar from Rowe Casa a try. It's like, okay, what's one more brand? Let's give it a shot. So shampoo did exactly what I was hoping it would do. It lathered my hair like immediately, like nice, bubbly, thick lather. And then as I'm washing it away, my hair isn't left with any residue whatsoever. It is so clean, and it just feels squeaky clean. And I also like that the shampoo and conditioner bars come in this little tin. It kind of helps to help it to last longer, so it's not getting water on it over and over and over from the shower. This also makes it even easier to travel with. So I'm a big fan of the packaging. Now the scent to me was a little strong when I first smelled it, especially when it was in the box and I opened up the box. It's got lots of essential oils in it. So it is, it's fragrant, but it's not artificially fragrant. It has these nice natural scents to it. I can't remember the different essential oils that are in this one. Ylang ylang, so that's the smell that I really like the most. It also has lavender, rosemary, cedarwood, and tea tree. So lots of really fabulous essential oils. The lather is excellent. Now, I was really nervous about the conditioner bar since the first brand I tried, it was really hard for me to get it off on my hair. I finally was able to get it off on my hair with the second brand, but it made it too greasy. So I was like, oh, let's see how this goes. So I tried the conditioner bar, and again, it comes in this nice container, makes it easy to travel with, makes it last longer. The scent is very similar, but guess what? It was easy to come from the bar to my hair, and I'm able to go 3-4 days without feeling like I need to wash my hair. So huge win. Let me let you know, I think the essential oils are very similar in this one. Ylang ylang, lavender, rosemary, tea tree, and cedarwood, yes. So really high quality essential oils. Super clean, nothing gross, nothing gunky. easy to travel with. And you guys, look at my hair, it's so shiny. I curled it and the curl is staying. Big fan. Yes, of course, you can still see my grays coming through. That's just gonna happen. Shampoo and conditioner bar, not gonna fix that for me. But I also wanna share the Hair Spritz with you. So this only has a few ingredients in it. It has witch hazel, and then it has essential oils. So rosemary, cedarwood, lavender, and tea tree. I really like this spritz. So it is supposed to help grow, thicken, and volumize your hair. What I've been doing, so the spritz itself is like a very, let me see if I can spritz it here so you guys can see. It's like a very, it opens up really far. It's not like a concentrated mist. So in order for me to get it really where I want it on my hair, which right here through here is where I would like a little bit of the extra growth. And then on my scalp, I like to really, massage this into my scalp. So what I do is I actually spray it into my hands directly like this to have it a little bit more concentrated. And then I can place the spritz where I want it. And then I do go back and do a full mist over my hair. So this is my routine. So I take this shampoo bar and I do a double wash. So in the shower, wash it, rinse it, wash it, rinse it, and then the conditioner bar, I paint it on. So I just take, same with the shampoo bar, I just paint it on my head. And so for the conditioner bar, I just paint it towards the bottom of my hair. So it just comes off like a dream. Yeah, the scent is definitely growing on me. I really do like it. And then it's not super strong on your hair afterwards. So even though you can smell it quite a bit right out of the concentrated tin here, you can still smell it lingering on your hair a little bit, but it is definitely not overpowering. And so then I paint that conditioner bar on and I leave the conditioner in my hair. I use a wide tooth comb to just kind of spread it all out, make sure it's on all of the strands of my hair. I leave it as I'm doing the rest of my body washing, shaving, body polish, all of the things. And then I rinse. So the longer I can let it moisturize and hydrate my hair, the better. And then whenever I get out of the shower, I take the hair spritz. I spritz a little bit directly into my hand, put it right through here, and then I kind of flip my hair over and do a whole hair spritz. And here is the result. I would say I'm at probably about 3 to 4 weeks now of using these, and I am a huge fan. If you would like to try these, I do have a promo code for you. So if you use the promo code Alli, A-L-L-I, you will get 20% off of your entire first order. So highly recommend shampoo and conditioner bars. I know it's a little crazy to try bars if you're not used to that. I was a little hesitant as well, but I cannot recommend these enough. Go out and give these a try. The hair spritz is also amazing. I feel like if you have to get either or, I would definitely just start with the shampoo and conditioner, and this can be an add-on later. I think you're still gonna love your results with just these two. And of course, I am here if you have any questions whatsoever. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a very blessed day. Bye.